Hello, and welcome to the Expert Searching course. This is Lori Rossman, and together with Julie Nanavati, we will be your course instructors. In this voice thread, we'll talk about the goals of the course, how the course is structured, and course expectations. In addition to this team of instructors, you'll have two TAs working with you, Yenshi Jia and Ellie Shever-Wecker. This is the fourth year that the Welch Medical Library has offered the Effective Searching course, and I want to acknowledge all of the hard work and creativity that has gone into creating this class. A team of 4 librarians, including myself, Julie Nanavati, Claire Tews, and Peggy Gross, all created and upgraded this course over the past 4 years. I mention this because you will see all 4 names on different lectures and documents, and you will hear their voices throughout the class. This course is designed to be both practical and hands-on. What I mean by practical is that we're going to show you strategies for searching for information effectively and efficiently, with the idea that you can directly use what you learn here, not only for projects that you will have in this and other courses, but also in the work you do in your field. To help make the learning stick, we have designed learning activities that will allow you to get your hands dirty, so to speak. These assignments will give you an opportunity to practice techniques discussed in the lectures and/or look more closely at one aspect presented during the week. Here are the learning objectives. Upon successfully completing this course, you will be able to describe the iterative steps involved in conducting an expert search for literature review, identify databases, online tools, and help guides that are available to use when conducting an expert search for literature review, develop an effective search strategy to locate relevant literature in at least 2 core databases of medical information, document searches conducted for a literature review in a way that is transparent and reproducible, and create a bibliography using a citation management tool such as RefWorks or Mendeley. How this breaks down over the 8 weeks is as follows. Each week we will focus on a topic that related to the learning objectives. In the first week, we present an overview of searching, looking at the big picture before diving into the details in the weeks to follow. In the second week, we focus on search preparation. In this week, we teach you how to lay the groundwork for successful searching. The third week is on search tools and techniques requisite of an expert search. The fourth week zeroes in on searching in both theory and practice. This week, we delve into advanced search techniques. The fifth week, we explore citation management tools and publication guidelines. During the sixth week, we'll show you how to systematically translate your PubMed search into other databases. The seventh week steps outside the realm of proprietary databases and takes a look at gray literature. And we'll wrap up the term with a week that looks at 2 hot topics, open access and predatory publishing. Each week, you will have several lectures to watch that map to the learning objectives I just described. You will also have an assignment to complete, and depending on the week, you may also have a discussion question to answer.
Hi, this is Julie Nanavati. There's a live talk on December 7th at 7 p.m., so you'll want to mark this date on your calendar. If you're unable to attend, please let us know ahead of time, and we'll post the recording following the live talk for you to watch. We've found that in the past, students find these live talks quite valuable. In essence, we design them for you to be able to ask questions and get immediate feedback from us. We'll also use the live talks to go over assignments and concepts from the course in more detail than we can in a lecture. Please let us know before the live talk if there are any areas you're struggling with, and we'll do our best to address them. This year, the live talk will also address changes that PubMed is planning to make on its platform in 2020. Each module or week begins on a Monday, and assignments for the week are due the following Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Baltimore time. We realize you have busy lives, and this is not the only course you're taking. If you're unable to make a due date, you need to let one of the instructors or TAs know in advance. With prior authorization, we will grant a 2 to 3 day extension. Extensions longer than this will only be granted for extreme circumstances. Having taken quite a few online courses myself, I know firsthand that the key to getting the most out of an online course is to participate. Yes, participation is 5% of your grade, but more than being just another box to check off, it can be an extremely valuable part of your learning experience. In this course, I encourage you to ask questions, bring up points from the lectures that resonated with you, or respond to questions posed by others in the course. To help facilitate discussion, we have 3 forums that you can use. There's a course content forum for anything related to lecture materials. There's an assignment clarification forum where you can ask questions related to assignments. And finally, there's a classroom cafe where you can talk about anything else. In addition, there will be discussion questions where you're asked to respond to 1 or 2 of your classmates' posts. For these posts, we are looking for thoughtful responses. What I mean by this is push yourself to go further than simply saying good job or I liked your post. Ask questions, add new insights, or highlight a point that really spoke to you. Also, if someone asks a question to one of your posts, take the time to respond to him or her. These discussions are a chance for you to learn from one another and get individualized answers to your specific questions. As an instructor, I find the course discussions to be extremely valuable for my own knowledge, and each year I'm surprised by how much I learn from the students in my classes from these types of posts. In Course Plus, we've listed the participation expectations and how the grade will be calculated. There are discussion questions during week 1, 3, and 5. During the discussion questions, we are looking for you to respond to at least 1 or 2 of your classmates' posts and be engaged in the discussion that is occurring in your own post. We want you to be successful in this course, and it's our hope that you'll finish the course enjoying searching for information as much as we do. If at any time during the course you need help, please post your questions to the appropriate discussion forum, and we'll try the best to answer them within 24 hours. We encourage you to post first, because chances are if you have a question, others of your classmates have the same question that could benefit from reading the answer. If you feel you need more detailed help, or your questions are more personal in nature, please contact one of the instructors or one of the TAs. If you're struggling with assignments or course content, it's your responsibility to ask for help. Lori and Julie are available to meet with you virtually via Zoom or in person. Email to schedule an appointment. We're happy to work with you and help with anything that's not clicking. And that's it for the nitty-gritty. Welcome to Expert Searching.